welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to add an event to calendar on Moto G37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on calendar app. After click on calendar app, click on this plus icon and click on event. If you want to add event, so type event name and select date. After select date and you will see set time, add schedule, click on save. You will see event is add. After add event, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.